Hello scholars, here is a video on how to upload pictures into Google Drive. You first click your camera, it's the black camera, see it? Click that. Next, you move the camera to where you want to take a picture. You click this whitish circle, push it. Next to it is a square, click that. That is your picture. Next, you click the home button. It's a little circle right here. See the little circle? Click that. Next, you find Google Drive. It is the blue, green, yellow triangle. So you look for it. Oh, it's found it. Also found it. So you click that. Next, to upload is you click the plus. Click the plus, the bottom right. Next, you click the up arrow, which is upload. See the up arrow? Click that. Next, you click the gray icon. It looks like a film. You click the gray icon. It's next to photos and videos. Click that. Next, you click all photos. You click the photo that you want. There should be a blue check on the left side of it. Next, you click upload. It's a blue upload button on the right. Click upload. It's uploading. You have to be patient, scholars, and wait just a little bit sometimes. Next, it will say all pending uploads have completed. Next, you scroll to find your photo. Here it is. Oops, here it is. You click it. That's your photo that you uploaded onto Google Drive. Thank you. Here it is. To exit, you click the X. There is your photo that you uploaded on Google Drive.